Alright, I want to take a closer look at this piece in here. This plug. There's 3 terminals on here. This one right in here, the first one, is connected to here. There was a little bit of a pause in there, but it is connected to here. These 2 in the back, this one is actually connected to this spring mechanism. This third one on the side is touching when this plug is not in there. When it's pushed in like that and the plug is in, that's pushed down, and then this is not connected. So essentially these 2 touch when there's no plug. The plug is pulled out of that position. These two are connected here to here. This one's connected to the front. These 2 touch when there's no plug. And the bottom one, oh, there's a plug in there. It expands. Hopefully that's helpful.